How to make ChatGPT say anything. Now, most of people find it really boring to ask ChatGPT about anything because of its machine response. And but a lot of people have started to give different kind of prompts to ChatGPT to act as their personal assistant in a let's say flirty manner or in a any manner they want. For example, this is I have opened up ChatGPT here, and I can give it a uh, prompt like this one, which is actually going crazy at the moment. People have actually started to convey their feelings to ChatGPT because they can make ChatGPT to act as a flirty, confident assistant. And just on a single prompt, the ChatGPT have started to answer me the way that I want. According to this prompt, I can, for example, you can do whatever you want, and you can make ChatGPT act like that. Now, just as I have asked ChatGPT to act like Jet from Valorant, and now here it will start to answer it according to that. That's how people are using ChatGPT in 2025. Let me know what are your thoughts on this.